is a watchmaker. Not in a literal way, but in a figurative way. It is what he has always wanted since he was a little boy. But, call it chance or a morbid father, he was not allowed to be one at first. Instead, he became an atomic physicist, or so everyone thought. But John never left watchmaking behind. The intricacy, the delicacy, it still fascinated him. So, as chance would have it, John's persistence was ultimately rewarded. Well, of course, not in a way that anyone would expect, but nonetheless, his dream was fulfilled. He became a maker not of beautiful and intricate watches, but of bigger and greater things. Of life.